guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica, and if you guys are new here, hello, welcome. Hope you joined the Pickle family. So today is yellow day. It's a pretty basic yellow eyeshadow look. It's pretty easy, but the rest of the video is all like fast time lapse, so enjoy that. It's gonna have weird music in the background, but stay tuned because I'm gonna be skating with my lollies, and I'll show you those in a bit. Right now you guys are gonna see me do my hair in a time lapse as well, but I'm loving my makeup right now. Even though it's basic, I'm loving it. Again, I want to thank everybody that is a part of my family right now and joining the little pickle family. And yeah, so let's get into this makeup look. If you guys want to keep on watching and see how I did this eye and then the rest time lapse, because yeah, everything's kind of time lapse, but I'm kind of loving it because I never curl my hair, and I curled my hair for once, and yeah, I feel really confident about this look right now. But let's get into this video. So today is yellow day, and honestly I don't know what to do for yellow. I feel like I'm gonna just put yellow on the lid and that's it. So actually I got an idea. So I'm gonna use the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go in with this orangey one in the middle. Not a lot. And then I'm gonna just blend it. Sorry if you could hear my air conditioning and the TV. And I'm just literally tapping little by little. And then I'm gonna just put this all over my crease area. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow, that yellow one, and I'm gonna put it all over my eye now. Take it all over. With this color you have to pat it in. If not, then it's gonna get vibrant, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna just take it some with my finger, and I'm just gonna make it more bright. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous. Looks like this. And I'm gonna go in with Coin. This one right here. With my finger. And I'm gonna just place this in the middle of my eye area. That honestly didn't do anything. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal and Midnight Cowboy. It's a gold glitter. And I'm gonna just place it where we put that Armed and Gorgeous. So cute. I'm gonna go in with my best eyeliner at the moment. So good. Literally, you don't have to put a wing eyeliner. I'm done. You guys seen me do my hair. I'm bad at curling my hair, especially on one side, but I teased it a bit so it looks a little bit fluffy because I don't got a lot of hair. So I just teased it, and I thought we had hairspray, but I don't, so I'm not gonna have hairspray. But so I teased up my hair. I like did the curls or whatever it's called. I really don't know, but I did those, and I put on some earrings. These were my OG earrings when I was in in high school. I love this ear so much, but I hate this ear. I feel like I'm gonna have to re-pierce it because it's like more towards that way, so it doesn't never show correctly like this. But I'm loving my makeup. I'm just gonna put a little bit of yellow down here and mascara, so you guys are not gonna see me do that. I'll show you my outfit when my sister comes. Yeah, I'm basically done. I'm just gonna get licked by my cat right now. Literally, this is what I do every time I come into the restroom. She always be licking me. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go skate for a bit with my sister, but yeah, I'll show you my outfit in a bit when my sister comes. I'm loving this so much. I love yellow on me. I don't know why. I just love it. So comment down below if you guys are liking this series of me matching with my Moxis. I'm down to match them and match my makeup and my clothes. It'll be fun. Let me know. Comment down below. I'm loving this makeup so much. Okay, love you. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup and everything, and I'm sorry if my audio and lighting was bad. It's just because everybody was asleep, and I do this early in the morning right now, and everybody's gone right now, so I can talk loud in my room. But these are my yellow lollies. Wheels are energy wheels, radar wheels. They're yellow, they're busted. They were not mine, but I bought them from my friend for pretty cheap, so shout out to her. I'll put her Instagram here and down below, so go follow her on her Instagram. But this was perfect. So I'm gonna have to lace up my lollies, but I'm gonna put my yellow Chaya toe stops. These are my favorite brand of toe stops. I keep these for backups because these are pretty expensive, so yeah. So there it goes, yellow toe stop. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm skating. So we came to Pedro to take photos because I said I wanted yellow flowers, but there's no yellow flowers. Pure green photos, green everything. So we're gonna take photos.
Yeah, I was trying to take you to a key
with
place.
Green stuff. So for today's outfit, I'm using a Forever 21 shirt that is yellow because I need to wear yellow with my Moxis, everything yellow. And then pants are from Fashion Nova.
Turn it around.
Fashion Nova.
Ooh.
And then I got pink Vans with sunflowers. And then my jewelry's from Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, and this is my outfit. So we came to take photos with supposedly yellow flowers, but there's none.
There will be.
And yeah, let me show you my sister's outfit, even though she doesn't have anything yellow. So she's wearing a yellow shirt.
From Ross, like always.
From
Everything's
Ross.
from
And
Ross.
then her eyes,
Ross.
look at her eyes. She, yes. Wait, stop moving.
Oh.
Yes. And then she's rocking orange Moxi skate.
With
A little pom-pom.
looking like a clown.
I got a pink one, but I'm not wearing pink today. Behind the scenes of me putting on my skates to take this photo.
I'm probably gonna eat
Hello?
shit, man. Hello? Yeah, we're kind of busy right now. Oh yeah, you want to talk to Queen Angelica? What? Angelica! Woo! Hi! Hi! Ooh, I like how I had to do my eyebrows.
We stopped at McDonald's. She got tenders that are gonna fall, and I got tenders.
I don't know, but I don't know.
So I'm gonna skate in my driveway, so hopefully you enjoyed that. It's gonna be little clips, but yeah, let me get these little clips in, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna warm up with jumps because I don't know why I'm like scared of everything right now, so jumping. Let's try this jumps again. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Oh, that's scary. Why do I feel like I'm a brand new skater right now? Hey, that one was perfect. Oh, he did it! Okay. Cut. I'm gonna try to shoot the duck. So wish me luck, because I don't know how. Take one for shooting duck. Jesus, that's hard. Okay. Never mind, no shooting duck. Ow, that hurt. Ow. Showed up to skate with me.
With my...
Yep. Already messed up mine. But I'm gonna record her for a bit because right now I'm falling and this is not okay.
Yeah?
My sister attempting to do the duck.
I tend to sit down, I don't know why.
Ribbit! There goes my little ribbit.
So they say, lean down as much as you can. Hold it, go on your own foot.
What is that?
What are those?
Stay protected, kids. Your gear or your best friends.
Okay, word. Nope. I give up.
Birdies. They're talking.
Nope. Woo! Saved by the bell. Save the tushy.
Saved by the bells.
I was trying to do the other leg, and it's the same thing.
Yeah, fell.
Ow! I don't want to do it because I got scared. I have to fix it.
Try to put one more level down. I mean up. Up or down? And Jennifer said, look at Jim is in the bathroom. What?
The test.
And Jonathan said, the test.
You mean Jim?
I'm making my own office.
Let me see if they go straight.
Your one wheel doesn't even roll.
I saw that. I was like, fucking weird.
Wait, you're done?
No, I gotta fix my things. They're going sideways. Let me see this one. One of them goes crooked. This is the test to see if my wheels are,
You mean your trucks?
your trucks are perfect. They should go straight. If they go crooked, then some change. Let's go. Exactly. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference?
The one that
I told you. Test number 2.
Give me the tool and give me your boo.
Okay. Go, my babies. Go, my babies. Go.
I said give me that one.
That one a little bit.
Bro,
that
I
one
still have
definitely.
saliva in my hair.
You should do get her scared.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video. This is future me because I'm probably gonna forget to do an outro, so let me do it right now while I look cute with this bomb lighting. Yeah, hopefully you guys are having a beautiful blessed day, and I love you guys and have a great day. Bye.